This video shows you how to make a power model using your TI-84 calculator. The power model looks a little something like y equals a times x to the b, and it's very similar to the exponential regression model. So if you haven't watched that video, please watch the exponential regression one first. So first things first, you need to type in the data. First of all, read the problem, press pause if you need to. So R is our x value and A is the y value. Stat, edit, and then we want to edit list 1 is the x and list 2 is the y. Something strange happens when you type in 113.097. Your calculator, the spot for that number isn't big enough, so it actually truncates it, or it rounds it actually, to 113.1. But don't worry, that number is still stored like you typed it in. If you arrow back up, you can see we still have 113.097. So don't worry as you type in, for example, the next number is 268.083. It will round it to 268.08. I guess it had enough room for all of those numbers. So again, don't worry about it because they're still stored as the proper numbers. All right, there we go. And then all that's left to do next is we want the power model for the original data. So tap Stat, scroll over to Calculate, and we want power model. Now power model is actually choice A. It's after exponential regression, so you can see there it is, choice A. Here's a quick tip. If you know what letter it is, you can just tap alpha and then A. And we want power regression. We want power regression with list 1 and list 2 as the y variable. Tap enter, and there we go. Our numbers are stored for us. And if we want to use that the power regression equation to predict volume with a radius of 8, all we have to do is plug in 8 for x. So you can use the trick of using the variables menu, vars to statistics vars to equation. I want a times x, all raised to the b power. There we go. So we would expect, with a radius of 8, we would expect a volume of 2,144.63, let's say.